This is one of our newest 4 F-35A Lightnings, which touched down recently at RAAF Base Williamtown fresh from the US. The RAAF said in a Twitter post Friday. The Australian military also added that with these new additions they now have 41 of the 5th-gen stealth fighters. The F-35 is a 5th-generation fighter, combining advanced stealth with fighter speed and agility, advanced mission systems, fully fused sensor information, network-enabled operations, and cutting-edge sustainment. The first 2 Lockheed Martin F-35A Lightning II fighters arrived at RAAF Base Williamtown, north of Sydney, on December 10, 2018. The F-35A, commonly known as the Joint Strike Fighter, will meet Australia's future air combat and strike needs, providing a networked force multiplier effect in terms of situational awareness and combat effectiveness. The F-35A's combination of stealth, advanced sensors, networking and data fusion capabilities, when integrated with other defense systems, will enable the RAAF to maintain an air combat edge.